Morning! Oh, morning? It's actually the afternoon. Oh, after work. Oh dear. Dear me, I don't know where I am. To be fair, I've been up since 4:30 in the morning. Jimmy's on his way to Belgium, probably on the ferry as I speak. Yeah. Oh, what a morning. Oh man. So yeah, I'm a bit all over with the ferries. Nothing new there then. Just going to turn the seedlings because it's dark. You can probably tell actually. It is dark, so then everything's leaning towards the light. Just turn it. Just a quick look at the Taunton Dean. No sign of roots yet, but there's new growth. No sign of roots, but there's new growth. Oops. The little one there, and little ones. Yeah. Very good. Oh, what are we doing? It's raining. Come and have a look. I need to have coffee as well, but it's raining cats and dogs. Whew. Can you hear me? Yes, you can. Right, coffee first. But first, coffee even. From my favourite mug, Love a Shed mug. Can you see me? Yeah, it is raining. It's been raining all night and all morning, and I know it's raining. It's quite bad in various parts of Scotland, which isn't great at all. Oh, help! Oh. What am I doing? I kind of want to paint that panel. That's my intention. But I need to have coffee first. Last day of term, half term. So it's a half term holidays next week. Ooh, yippee! Do you know what? To do the roof, do I need... Can I reach it all right? I was just thinking of the silver stuff. Nice. In fact, it's worth checking if there's any leakages. Oh. Oh no, I can see leakage. It's been a while since I've actually had to check. That's not good. I've never put roof felt on a shed and I wouldn't know. And it really makes it, I really react to it, you know, like it makes my arms go all red and rashy. Oh no, I'll show you where it's, I think, well, hopefully you can see it. Can you see that? Yeah, that's not good. There. I think then that's a bit wet too. That's dry, so it's just... That's dry. So this side seems to be... Yeah, that's quite wet. Oh dear. Well, the roof will have to wait. Certainly, yeah, I don't know. Right, I won't worry about that now. There's not a lot I can do about that. Oh, cheers everybody. I hope it's not too bad for you. I know on our road there's a massive puddle. In fact, we were talking about it today. It seems to me like the councils used to clear the drains, did they not? I've got memories of big trucks, the tubes going down the drains. Or did they only ever do that on special occasions? Surely the councils did used to clear the drains, because the drains are blocked with all the leaf. They just don't seem to be cleared anymore. Does anyone remember or know about that? Or am I making it up? I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Do I need this coat on? It's not cold. Oh, I'll take my coat off, but I can't leave it out there because it's too wet. Right, I just did my scarf on. Where was I? I was in B&M the other day, getting all of Jimmy's bits. Oh, that was yesterday. Well, it was yesterday, but this is Friday, and it's going to go out on a Monday. No wonder I don't know what day it is. And they had tulips and bulbs and all that kind of stuff on sale, so I did buy some for to plant in the allotment. So some. So what's the month? I mean, I've got that one, and that's to be planted between August and December. In fact, that's that one. I think, it's £3 for £1. £3 for £1, which, oh, forgive me, 3 for £5. Oh, and that one. So I'm going to leave them in here and plant them soon. Yeah, between August and December, 10 centimetre distance, 10 centimetre depth. Flowers in April and May, and I love tulips, absolutely love them. So that will be a definite. Love to plant them. Maybe at the very front, very front, just right where the grass is, and I'll have to just make sure I keep it trimmed in the over, especially in the spring. You know, when it starts to. So they act like a really long border. I don't know. Or just plant them sporadically in the winter flower garden. Oh, nice coffee. Right, all this cardboard's in the way, and I did bring a saw for the wood. I don't know if that's gonna. All these seedlings are in the way. Big tub of nasturtium seeds. Did I say seedlings just now as well? I think I might have done. Some of these, Penny, you're going to get. Yeah. Right, I don't know if I'm going to be able. How am I going to be able to saw this? Just got to saw the end off. Don't have to worry too much. I don't know if you can see me there. I'm going to move you. Nice. Let's try to get out of the way. You can see me. It's a bit tight for space, but I've got the great big bit of wood, and I'm going to put it on this workbench and saw off an end. That's the plan anyway. Oh, might be worth taking off all the screws. I'm going to move you again. It only will work if the screws, this just doesn't have enough welly. Try again on that one. Yeah. Oh my god, they're so stuck in. Never mind. Oh. Right, where's my saw? This is a bit wet. I really just want to cut the end off. I don't really worry about the measurements. It doesn't matter if it's a bit too small because I'll screw it in the 2 mid. I'll show you in a bit. Right, so I just want to see if it fits now that I've chopped some off. Right, I'm going to go back out and come back in. Can you see? Oh, that's perfect. Although I can see some issues already. Oh, there's always something. Oh no. Oh dear God. I didn't really notice that before, to be fair. So I'm just going to show you. Can you see? This, we don't need this second bit of wood. I don't actually know why it's... But I can't get these screws off. Not by I've tried. I'll try again. Can you even see? I don't understand how come they're so tough. I think I'm going to get Al to help me with this. Not today though, that's for sure. Oh, right, I'm going to give up on that. But at least it fits size-wise. I just need to get rid of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 7. Oh, 7 screws, honestly. Oh, right. Next, I'm going to start painting that. And that'll be on time lapse. So see you in a bit. So I'll just show you what I've been doing. Obviously painted, where are we? Oh, can you see that? Yeah, painted the first coat on that panel. So the second coat I'll do another day. And then we have this panel. That's, sorry, it's spinning. Gonna go, oh, sorry, can you see? There. And we had the issue of the sticky out bits. Sticky out bit there. Can you see? Yeah, so, oh, and also I needed to put some thingies, I don't know what you would call them, but just so that it doesn't sort of flap in. So cut it there very roughly. I'm going to sandpaper that and cut it there. So we're going to put that there. We'll see if I can attach it. Right. So, oh, I even chopped a corner off. Can you see that? Just there, where the slope of the roof. Yeah, so that's it in place. And I'm actually going to leave the overlap because you could call that a draft excluder. But it doesn't really make any difference. It's sticking out a little bit on these ends at all. Don't mind that at all. So it's just going to drill, see if there's enough battery power on this. Just get the first screw in. That's progress. I certainly didn't expect that today. Let's put the screws in. There's a bag. Right, I'm actually really pleased with that. That's really good. I didn't expect to be doing that today. I did bring the hacksaw just in case, and that's how I cut those little bits off. But so really, that's just that one panel left, and I might get that next week actually in the half term, and then I need to put new roof felt on, and that's I might YouTube how to do that, but I'm guessing you have to get up there. I don't think I can do that. That's going to be pay someone to do it, I think. It's definitely leaking. Yeah, I don't know. I will worry about that later. So I'm going to say thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Hope it's not too wet. Bye.